fresh new square body. How's it feel, Ethan? You're
Pretty damn
you're in
good.
the game now.
Trading up to a Cummins.
Trading up to a Cummins, he says. It does have the dually wheels. It's just he has to get it to us later down the road. But she runs fucking mint. Hear that hot rod idle? Where the hell's the hood latch? Oh. Look at that tiny motor. She got some pressurized.
Why is the battery not on the fucking pump? What the fuck?
Oh, that's an interesting one.
That's worse than our drop down.
Yeah, I know.
Holy fuck.
She runs bent though. You want me to close the hood? All right, let's go for a test ride. Let's see what this. Let's see how this hot rod rides. The radio even works. She's fucking powerful. She's a torquey bastard.
I'll show you, torquey bastard.
No burning. Oh yeah. Give it all that 350 got. Woo! She scoots and poops, dude.
Yeah, she does.
She scoots and poops, dude. Look at that smexy dashboard. She only got a couple of cracks, but it is. What year is it?
82, I think. I forgot already.
82. That's a pretty old one. What is this? Fuel tank. You have 2 fuel tanks, Ethan.
Fuck yeah!
Yeah.
Don't switch it, please. What is that? Is that an ashtray?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Oh yeah, you just push it. Hopefully that works. You can charge your phone and everything. Let's see if that puppy starts.
I called that good.
It doesn't work. They always don't. Fuck yeah.